Merging together with Gallagher! Hi guys, so now we're here at Villasaya Beach Resort and we're getting ready to give you a tour inside. And now we're here sa tabi ng dagat sa Villasaya Beach Resort. And as you can see, maraming rooms at cottages na pwede mong gamitin or marantahan while relaxing. Next up, swimming pools! Alam niyo bang dito rin sa Asaya, hindi lang mga bata ang mag-enjoy, pati rin matatanda. Lalo na dito sa swimming pool. Dahil mayroong mga nakalaan para sa bata at meron din sa matatanda. But not the least, we're now here sa function hall. So you can see, dami ko makikita dito na pwede mong rent for at least 8,500 pesos. All packs na yun, pre, kaya san ka pa? And that's all for our vlogs. Bye!